This is a Desperado Club token from Dungeon Crawler Carl, or at least the start of one. In the book, it's a tattoo. I am not in the tattoo business, so I'm making it an oversized poker chip instead. And there's one problem standing between me and this thing. Shapr3D cannot put text on a path. There's no tool for it. It doesn't exist. So here's how I did it anyway. The answer is Inkscape. You can use any program that saves out a DXF file. Inkscape is free, so that's what I stick with. First thing, the ellipse tool, or just hit E on your keyboard, draw a circle. Now, unlike Shapr3D, Inkscape doesn't ask you for measurements up front. You draw it first, then you fix it. So hit S for the selector tool, select the circle, go up to the top of the screen, make sure your units are in millimeters, and type in 70 for the width and the height. 70, because that's what I've already got drawn in Shapr. Next, I want it centered. Grab the Align and Distribute tool on the left, and it opens up in the right side panel. With the circle selected, center horizontal, center vertical, done. Now I need a path for my text. Second circle, 50 millimeters, center it the same way, then a third circle, also 50 millimeters, center that one too. And I know how that looks. Two identical circles stacked on each other. But once you start using Inkscape, you'll figure out real fast that you do not want two different words writing the same path. This is where the right-hand panel earns its keep. I've got three paths. Path 2 is my outside circle. Path 3, my first inner circle. Path 4, my second inner circle. And yours might not start at path 2 like mine does. Mine starts there because I drew a circle and deleted it before I hit record. Go by the order you drew them, not the number. Alright, first word, text tool, or T on the keyboard. Draw a text box bigger than you think you need and type in Desperado. Then hit S for the selector and hit escape first. Because if you don't, you'll type an S right into your text box. Like I just did, I'll clean that up later. Over on the right side, that's your text panel. Now here's where that layers panel comes in handy. I want this word on path 3. So, select path 3, hold down Control, click the text, both of them selected. Then go up to the text menu at the top of the screen and choose Put on Path. And it drops the word somewhere completely random on the circle. That's normal. It's on the path, and that's all we needed. Now I rotate it into place. Control-Shift-M opens the transform panel, go to rotate. But listen, because this is the part everybody gets wrong. Yes, I want the text to rotate. No, I do not select the text and rotate it. Do that, and you rotate the actual letters. The whole word comes apart. Instead, select the path the text is sitting on. Type in your value. Rotate that, and the word rides right along with it. Second word, same steps. Text tool, type in club, and this one goes on path 4, not path 3. If I put it on path 3 with Desperado, they rotate together, and I'll be fighting that for the rest of the build. One word, one path. Select the path, Control, click the text, put on path, then rotate the path until club is sitting down at the bottom of the circle, and it's upside down. Here's the fix. Reselect the path it's on, go up to the path menu, and choose Inset. Inset moves the word again, but it flips it right side up. So I just rotate that path one more time until it's where I want it. Then grab the text and drag it down so it's riding along the curve. Now, once you've got everything where you want it, this next step is the one you cannot skip. Select Alt, go to the path menu, and choose Object to Path. What that does is make every letter its own independent shape. It's not attached to the circle it was riding on anymore, which means I can delete those paths, and the text stays exactly where I put it. Skip that step, and those circles follow you right into Shapr3D. File, Save As, and you want Desktop Cutting Plotter, AutoCAD DXF R14. That's what makes this transfer over to Shapr3D correctly. And now back into Shapr3D. Add File, pick the one I just saved, and there it is. All my letters curved along the path. From here, those letters become bodies. One heads up. Sometimes a letter won't give you a usable face to work with. When that happens, just trace it and you're back in business. Couple extra minutes, not a deal breaker. And that's it. Curved text in Shapr3D, using a tool Shapr3D doesn't have.